Well, of course, we've been talking about the winter storm. I know you want to see the snowfall totals map, so I'm going to start with that just to show you that, yes, we are expecting 8 to 12 inches of snow. Amounts will go down the farther north you go, and they will go up the farther south you go, with many locations potentially along the Ohio River picking up as much as a foot or more. But I want to walk you through the timeline because we still have some time before the snow arrives. And if you have any preps or any errands that you need to run, I want you to know the best time to do it. First of all, it's cold and it's going to stay cold through this entire weekend. On this graphic, you're going to see both the temperature and the wind chill, and I'll let this play through and you'll see how that'll change, or more importantly, how it's not going to change very much over the next 48 hours or so. Clear skies, though, for the rest of the evening, maybe with some high thin clouds. This evening is precipitation free. It is cold, but we are not expecting any impacts from any snow through the overnight and even into early tomorrow morning. So here's 7 a.m. There's your timestamp. The clouds will start to filter in. It's in the single digits, and it feels like it's still below zero. This is probably not going to move very much. Give it a wiggle room of about maybe 5 to 10 degrees, but those numbers, what you see is what you get. As cold as it feels outside right now, it's going to feel that way through the entire weekend. Here's 1 o'clock, the IU celebration going on at that point. We do expect temperatures to be around 10 with the feels like temperatures near zero, give or take 5 degrees either side of that. Then the snow will start to begin. Now this will start as a very light, very fluffy, very powdery snow, and there may be some of this that gets eaten into by some drier air. But I'll be honest, the forecast prediction of our 8 to 12 doesn't take into account a lot of the Saturday snow. It's really the Sunday bulk of it that we're mostly forecasting for, because that's what we expect to happen. We think that some of this snow on Saturday will get eaten into. We'll continue through the evening. We'll continue to see snow as we get into early Sunday morning. Temperatures may come up just a bit, but it's still going to be cold and the wind chill will still be near zero. I look at the entire state, expected to be seeing snow by that point. By midday on Sunday, I think the bulk of the system will be moving through. By evening on Sunday, we're wrapping up the bulk of the accumulation, and then we see a couple of areas of snow showers taper off into early Monday morning. So that should give you the timeline. One quick note here, temperatures once we get into Monday will drop yet again. Monday and Tuesday are both going to be very, very cold days. Very briefly, just wanted to show you your forecast through this evening. Temperatures right now are into the single digits to double digits, but we at least have some sunshine. Just want you to know that through this evening, you're looking okay, but please bundle up. And you'll have to bundle up for this entire 7-day forecast. Saturday, an alert for that chance for snow arriving in the evening, continuing into Saturday night. Sunday, snow almost the entire day. Travel will be very difficult. The snow is falling into temperatures that are pretty cold, which means it is going to be a fluffy, powdery snow, and that may be a little bit easier on the snow removal or shoveling, or as Anne Marie suggested, maybe using a leaf blower at some points. But keep in mind, it's also going to blow and drift around a lot, and it's going to be very difficult for the salt treatment to work when the temperatures are much lower. Heading into Monday, cold temperatures return both Monday and Tuesday mornings. We're talking about actual air temperatures 5 to 10 degrees below zero.